I went all the way to Stamford, Connecticut to check out this lipstick and how it performs against food. This super saturated liquid matte lipstick can last up to 16 hours. That's a big claim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Upsna and today we will be doing another beauty versus food. The product that we will be trying out today will be Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. If you guys are curious, Beauty versus Food is a series where I test out popular liquid lipsticks. There are so many liquid lipsticks out there on the market, and how do we actually test to see if they work, right? If you have them just on your lips and you do nothing and eat nothing, then you're good. But hey, we're everyday women, and let's get honest. We are consuming beverages, we are eating food, and we need to know if we're gonna be wearing this out on a dinner date or as a busy day at the office. We need to make sure our lips are prepped. Me personally, I like to make sure that I don't really have to apply my lipstick and that it stays on all day. So when I hear something crazy like a 16-hour formula, I have to test it out. So I took this with me to Stamford, Connecticut, and we actually decided to go to a Cheesecake Factory because, hey, who doesn't love Cheesecake Factory? And I tested out this lipstick to see how it would do against some like oozy sunny side up eggs. I applied this lipstick about 11 a.m. in the morning. First check-in was after I took a few bites of it and tested it out. It was perfect. There was no lipstick removal. It actually stayed on the whole time. Okay, halfway through and not too bad, so we're still pretty good. I went over and I ate about 3/4 of the dish, and at that point, the lipstick was still fine. Last bite. Lastly, I did a check-in when I was completely done with eating my dish, and again, this lipstick stayed on the whole time, the whole meal, and it is still on. The only thing that I noticed is for a few hours upon application, it stays a little bit sticky and kind of sticks onto your lips, but a little bit afterwards, it tends to really dry up on your lips and stay in its place. And I'm telling you guys, this lipstick stayed. For the Beauty versus Food winner, I decided to go into a different light to see if it'll actually go through, and yes, at the end of the day, I checked in a different light, actually a Sephora, because you guys know I love Sephora, and it was perfect. It's not too bad. Right, out of the Cheesecake Factory, and let's see, it looked like it performed really, really well. You can see that it's just exactly at the same place as it was before I started eating. Now, I will say that this was definitely a winner. The formula is very, very strong. It will last you a long time. I was traveling that entire day, and I did end up eating lunch, dinner afterwards, and it really stayed put for about 8 hours. Around the 8-hour mark, it did start to come off a little bit right at the tip and the edge of the lip that you will see. And then I finally did remove my makeup about 12 hours after I had initially applied this product. And by the end of the day, it really did start to break down a lot. At the 12-hour mark, you could really see that it was really getting patchy, which tends to happen when these lipsticks dry out so much on your lip. This is definitely a good product. If you've got about an 8-hour day outside, this will really do a good job. I think any more than that, I don't know if this product can really handle the full 16 hours that it claims. Maybe that's without touching any food or drink. I thank you guys for watching my Beauty versus Food videos, and if you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up and then hit that subscribe button, because I do upload every Tuesday with a transformation video or product haul. You guys have a great day. I'll see you all later. Bye.